Replacing deformed window guide seals. Procedure: fully lower the crank window. Take off the interior trim of the outside mirror and unplug the cable connectors. Take off the mirror itself. Remove the trim strip on the outside of the driver's door. To remove a deformed window guide seal, use an assembly wedge to pull out the rear part of the window guide seal, next to the covering far enough so that you can access the 3 screws located there. Remove the screws and detach the covering from the window frame. Pull the frame seal from the window frame. Pull the front part of the window guide seal up and out of the door, then remove the seal. The curvature of the old window guide seals is clearly visible when compared to the new one. New rubber seals are not brought into form until assembly. For installation, fasten the new window guide seal by inserting it on the upper edge of the window frame. The window guide seal must be positioned in the upper rear corner of the window frame. Note: it must align with the outer edge of the window frame and covering it. Reinstall the screws for the covering. Note: partially tighten the screws and adjust the covering. Then tighten the screws fully. Note: use plenty of soapy water when installing the rubber seal. This ensures the required flexibility during installation. Then insert the seal into the door. Important to note the risk of contamination. Do not let soapy water get into the window guides. Generously brush the rear section of the rubber seal. Slide down along the rear edge of the crank window. Insert the rest of the rear part of the rubber seal into the covering. There must be no gap between the window guide seal and the covering along the entire length. To insert the front part of the window guide seal, move the crank window up halfway. Note: here again, use plenty of soapy water. Slide the window guide rubber down into the front door. Work quickly. If the liquid dries out, the rubber will become stiff and unmanageable. Fix the upper section in place. Pull the window frame lining downward and pull the tab over the rubber seal. Check the seating of the window guide seal and correct it if necessary. And finally, place the rest of the front seal under the door frame seal.